The legendary Neville Goddard's law of assumption is the most powerful tool to manifest whatever you want in your life. The law states that you only need to change your thoughts and assumptions about your desires. On YouTube, I see many coaches sharing different techniques, but the truth is, most of them don't work. You need to practice a technique that helps you replace your negative thoughts and beliefs with positive ones. In this video, I'm going to share with you a powerful technique that helps you do everything Neville Goddard suggests. It helps you change your thoughts. It helps you change your subconscious beliefs. And most importantly, it helps you stay in the state of your wish fulfilled. So, if you truly want to manifest your desires, I invite you to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're visiting it for the first time. Now let's get started. When people want to manifest money or other things into their lives, they often end up diving into heaps of reading and watching videos. However, the truth is that too much information can actually lead to problems. The more you gather techniques and advice, the more confused you might become. With so many options, it's difficult to decide which method to choose to manifest money or anything else. Sometimes you might just pick a method randomly to give it a try without really believing in it. Well, it is a fact that when you're overloaded with lots of techniques and information, doubt starts to appear in your mind. Even if you settle on a technique, doubts can mess things up. You see, the law of assumption requires you to have full trust in the method you're using. Doubts act like weeds in a garden. They hinder growth. That's why I'm sharing with you the importance of faith before sharing with you the technique. If you have no faith, no technique will work for you. You have to remember this. So, what's this technique I'm going to share? Well, it's called the affirming method. Now you might think, what's new about affirmations? Everyone knows about them, right? But there's something special to the affirmations we're discussing here. If you understand that it can help you manifest a large amount of money or any other desire. Before I dive into the technique, let me break down why this affirming method that I'm going to share stands out as the most powerful way to manifest. You've heard Neville Goddard talk about feeling as if you already have what you desire. But do you truly understand what that really means? Well, it's about making a complete shift in how you feel inside to match what you want on the outside. By changing your inner state, you align with the desire you want to manifest. Once you've got that inner state in harmony, all you need to do is keep at it. Remember, staying consistent is the key to success. Now, what does consistency mean in manifesting? It means having zero doubts and having complete faith. It also means living in the state of already having your desires instead of getting stuck in the cycle of wanting or waiting. Now let me explain to you this with an example. Imagine, you're trying to play a musical instrument. Your inner state is the tune you're adjusting, and your desire is the melody you want to play. Once your inner state hits the right tune, the melody of your desire flows smoothly. But if you keep fiddling with the tune, questioning if it'll work, the melody never really takes off. That's why consistency is vital. It's the spark that transforms your inner tune into the real-life melody you are trying to play. Now, the affirming method I'm sharing with you takes this concept to heart. It's a way to consistently fine-tune your inner state using affirmations. Affirmations aren't just words, they're like mental tools. They help you fine-tune your inner tune until it matches the melody of your desire perfectly. Neville Goddard suggests living in the state of having your desire manifested. Instead of thinking about your desire, focus on the state of already having it. How your thoughts would be once you've received your manifestation. What would cross your mind when you've become the person you wanted to be? This is what living in the state of having your desire means. To put it simply, observe the world through that lens. Live your life while embracing that state and take every action with that mindset. Never step out of that state until it truly becomes your reality. When you step out of the state of your desire, doubts start to appear. Your logical mind catches on to everything. When you transition from the state of having your desire to the state of wanting it, your mind starts believing you haven't fully manifested that particular state. These doubts then seep into your subconscious, and everything crumbles because your mind is the place where everything takes place. Now, I know that it is challenging to remain in a particular state around the clock and keep a consistent mood all the time. Our thoughts shift and our moods change, but despite that, you need to embody the state of having your desire in your inner world and remain in that state. When you exhibit persistence, the external reality automatically starts changing since the outside world is like a reflection of your inner world. Holding on to this persistence is difficult, and that's where the affirming method comes to your rescue. Affirmations are ideas or thoughts presented in the form of sentences that you repeat to yourself. It's a way to input these ideas into your brain, particularly your subconscious mind. As you repeat these affirmations, you polish the neural pathways linked to those thoughts. Specific affirmations related to the desire you want to manifest can play a great role in breaking the pattern of negative thoughts. Scientists and psychologists believe that each person has over 7,000 new thoughts each day. What if we put 1,000 positive thoughts about our desires into our minds? Don't you think it would create an impact? Your life is a direct reflection of your thoughts. If your thoughts are negative, you will only manifest unwanted things. But if your thoughts are positive toward what you wish to manifest, you'll likely manifest your desires into reality and live the life you want. Infusing your mind with positive thoughts can make a difference. It does. Simply putting positive thoughts about your desire can significantly change your mindset. The results might not be instantly evident, but with a few days of practice, you'll start noticing the shift. After a bit of time, you'll experience a substantial change in the way you think and feel. This is called persistence, and affirmations play a big role in supporting that persistence. What makes affirmation perfect is that you can use them alongside any method you're already practicing. Remember, the law of assumption is all about assumptions. So, affirmations are assumptions. Neville Goddard believed that assumptions manifest into facts. So, by using positive affirmations, you're creating positive assumptions that counteract the negative thoughts. Now let's discuss how you can manifest a large amount of money or any other desire using affirmations. Well, I want you to select a bunch of affirmations that are very targeted. For example, if you want to manifest money, here are some affirmations I'd like to suggest. Money comes easily to me. Money follows me everywhere. I'm excited and happy because I've received the exact amount of money I desire. My wealth keeps growing. By choosing affirmations like these and repeating them to yourself, with faith, you are making manifestation easier for yourself because these affirmations will help you stay in the state of having your desire. This practice helps eliminate the negative thoughts and feelings that might be stopping you from manifesting money. Just a few simple but positive statements can bring you closer to your manifestation. Once you've chosen your affirmations, all you need to do is repeat them daily. Try to repeat them whatever you are doing. The more you repeat, the more it becomes easier for you to manifest your desire. While driving your car, consider switching off the music and repeating your affirmations instead. Another excellent way to use affirmations is by recording them as audio and listening to them while you're going about your daily tasks. This method works for me. Whenever you're doing something, repeat your affirmations. For instance, if you're cleaning your home, quietly repeat your affirmations to yourself. While getting dressed, remind yourself of these positive statements. In simple terms, make the most of every chance to repeat your affirmations. Whenever you have a bit of free time, whisper them to yourself. Even if you don't like to repeat them, go ahead and do it. This is how you'll manifest your biggest desire. You won't need any other technique. This one method will guide you all the way if you're truly serious about manifesting. If you practice this technique with your heart and soul, you'll become a pro at it. Later on, you can apply it to manifest other desires. This technique might sound too amazing to be real, and it truly is remarkable, which is probably why it's often overlooked. But just give it a try for a week and watch how things start shifting suddenly. Once your thoughts on your desire change, it starts becoming a reality. Affirmations are like superheroes against negative thoughts. Negative thoughts can be a huge hurdle when you try to manifest something. Whenever you're trying out a technique, those negative thought patterns pop up and plant doubts. However, the more you repeat affirmations to yourself, the better you'll become at defeating these negative thoughts. Remember, affirmations are just a different form of thought, similar to assumptions. So, when you embrace positive assumptions, you're reducing the impact of your negative thoughts. Each time you repeat an affirmation, you're introducing a positive thought into your mind. When you make it a habit and repeat affirmations a couple of thousand times a day, it starts making a significant difference. Eventually, the hold of those negative thoughts will loosen and your life will start taking a positive turn. Here's a tip. Try acting as if you've already manifested your desire. As we've covered, affirmations are about staying in the mindset of already having what you want. They help you persist in that state. But to truly be persistent, it's important to go a step further. My suggestion is to behave as though your desire has already come true, whether it's money or something else. Imagine you've already achieved what you wanted to manifest. Neville Goddard advises thinking and acting from the viewpoint of your desire. For instance, if you want to manifest wealth, don't just focus on the idea of becoming rich, as this can show desperation. Instead, act and think as if you're already wealthy. This helps your mind understand that you've already achieved your desire, making it easier for you to manifest it again. You'll start feeling like it's normal for you to get what you want. As a result, those thoughts that suggest you can't manifest your desire will fade away gradually, losing their influence. When they lose their grip, they won't have any impact on your life. Their pathways in your brain will become outdated and eventually disappear. The thoughts you consistently feed your mind will start creating their pathways. When these pathways are established, your mind will start putting these thoughts into action, and your desired reality will automatically start taking shape. This is why I'm suggesting you approach life from the state of your wish fulfilled. Just like Neville advises, don't think about your desire, but think from the standpoint of having it. Your mind is more likely to believe and accept what you tell it when there's some evidence available in the real world. I hope I delivered a good analysis of this powerful method by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.